Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in red, it looks great. You got that Chevy badging up front there with your projector style lights. You do also have the chrome bumper with your tow hooks just down there. And coming around the side we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 18-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there and your running boards along the bottom. We also have our 6-foot box back here. Looks great. You got the Silverado badging as well as the LT and the Chevy. You do also have your backup camera there and your parking sensors with some little step-ups. Open it up right here. Lets down nice and slow. Doesn't it bang anything? Does look great back here. Lots and lots of room, and it does have the box liner so it won't be getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our remote start up there and our panic. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Got your handle, another handle, some storage here and down here. And it does look great in here as well. Very spacious and very comfortable. You got the electric seat here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here you do have the controls over your lights. So you got your auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, fog lights, in-cabin lights, and then your control over your 2-wheel and your 4-wheel as well as your auto, and then your trailer brake right up there. And then over here we do have the controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have the battery and oil up there. Now right in the center it does tell us the temperature outside as well as the kilometers, 35,000, not too bad at all. We can switch that around to our trip A and B, as well as the fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, and then you also do have other options like your audio, phone, navigation options, and then you can switch it over on this side to all the different settings as well. Now, that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your Bluetooth options. Then you got your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here. When you are in reverse, you have the ever-useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe right here. And we do have a touchscreen display, so you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth. Navigation is right there, and you can see we are in Recreation Place, and then you do have your phone options there as well. Down here you got the volume up and down with the power, radio, media, your skip options, your eject. You also have the home and back button, as well as your tuner and your menu. Then down here we do have the dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Then you do have your AC, circulation, you got your defrost and where it's going to blow out of, the power and the off and on. Then you do have right over here your vented seats. Then down here you do have this guy that brings your pedals closer or farther away. You have your traction control, the light in the back. You also have your park sensors and your assist. And then you do have some plugins here, 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 and over here as well. Lots and lots of different plugins. Some storage here, some more storage right down there. You got your cup holders here. You have your armrest, and you do have a wireless phone charger right there. Then under here you do have lots and lots of room and some USB plugins as well as some plugins there. And then over here you do have your dual layer glove box. It is locking as well. Very nice to have. And then up top you do have your sunglass holder, universal garage door opener, and your light control. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, a handle here, some storage here, here, and here. And it does look fantastic back here. Very spacious. Seats 5 people all together. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold this up and you got some additional storage underneath there, as well as some storage there and there. And there's our 5.3-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.